Welcome to the channel. It's AlmightyDen. I'm back again. Today I'm here to give you an update on Crocoin, Crypto.com, and VVS Finance. So if you're new to the channel or you like cryptocurrencies, you like stocks, you like making money, you like trading, you like long-term investing, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and cut the notification zone so you don't miss a beat. Now, first things first, we're going to get started off with Crypto.com, aka Crocoin. And as we can see here, we were at about 55 cents. We had a nice little run up going into Christmas, and then we had a nice little sell off, less little pullback back down to about 55 cents. Looked like we might want to head down to 50 cents. Now, understand why we had the run up and why we're having the sell off, right? So, we had the run up because Staples Center, where the Lakers played, the official arena with the Lakers play, the name was officially changed to Crypto.com Arena on Christmas Day. So we had a nice little run up into Christmas Day on like the kind of like a buy the rumors, sell the news type of a play right there for some traders. So they bought into the hype, and then when the news dropped, then it seems like they sold it off. But you have to account for the crypto market as a whole as well, given the fact that Bitcoin itself, I tell y'all that Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of the other cryptocurrencies follow these larger cryptocurrencies in the market. So when they do something, a lot of the other cryptocurrencies react the same way. Now, when that pulled back, that also pulled Crypto.com back as well. And as you can see right now, we have a $13.9 billion market cap. It's at 0.055 cents. Now, to put this into perspective, we're comparing this to Binance Coin, which is at 86 billion. So compared to Binance Coin, this thing still has a lot of room to catch up and grow, and this coin and Crypto.com is growing exponentially fast. I mean, the advertising, the marketing they're doing is absolutely spectacular. They're putting a lot of money in that department. As you can see, we go to Crypto.com Twitter, 1.4 million. You can see the arena name has changed. It's been official. We getting a Super Bowl ad commercial. So there's a lot of incentive to have this coin, especially when you can look at the upside and have something that you could actually compare it to. You could actually put Crypto.com and Binance Coin side by side and give them some reasonable comparisons. Not to mention there's plenty of incentives for holding the Crow coin as well if you have enough on Crypto.com. So another positive sign. Now, but in this current stage that we're at right now, in my humble opinion, I feel like we're in a stage where you have to be patient. You have to be patient because while it is down from all-time highs of $1, I do want to accumulate much of this as I can at a lower price before we break back above $1 and have another major run. We have to appreciate these opportunities that the market is giving us to get this thing at a lower price, because I know when this thing was running up over here, some of you was wishing that you got in earlier. Now, if it gives us a chance to get in back down here around this 25-cent range where it originally started to break out a run, that would be absolutely amazing. That is an automatic buy territory for me. But as it comes down lower and lower and lower, if it does not hold support at about 50 cents, 48 cents right here, I will be looking to accumulate. So it's all about being patient and letting the market do what it do. That's just what it is. We're Crypto.com right now and how we're looking. So I will be patient, but I will be looking to add if this thing does pull back even further. But it is a long-term hold for me. I am not looking to sell at $1. I'm not looking to sell anytime soon. I want to get at least like a 3x off of it, to be honest. At least a 3x. So that's modest. That's very, very modest compared to my VVS Finance. But you have to understand that thing's already a top 20 crypto. It's at 16 right now. So if it was to 3x, that'd be what? 13 times 3, that'd be about 39 million. So that's solid. But like I said, I do believe it can catch up the Binance coin. But as the market pulls back, that should pull back as well. But as it goes up, that will increase as well. So that is honestly why I like Crypto.com right there. And if we go to VVS Finance, we can see, let's go to the chart first and foremost. We can see this thing has been having a steady decline. It's at about 0.00005 cents. Very, very cheap compared to when we originally got in at it. We got it in about 0.00014. So yeah, it's taking a hit, but I understand the volatility that comes with getting the coin this early at this stage in the market and why it's coming down. So this thing was a long-term hold for me anyways, and I expect 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100x on this coin, on this crypto, because we are so early on it. Not to mention, even though it's coming down, we have been farming and staking our VVS Finance. We've been staking our Crypto.com. So even though Crypto.com is down, you can buy more cheaper, stake more, earn more VVS, swap your VVS for many other coins that are available on this website. So it's a very good opportunity. The market cap is only $220 million. So, you know, it has a lot of upside, a lot of room to grow on this decentralized exchange. I like the platform. It's still earning some decent rates in the farms from the Crow VVS. That's the one I like, still at 153%. That's still great. Now, I understand that these rates were much, much higher a week ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, but 153% still beautiful. And then the VVS-USDT 206%, still beautiful. Now these rates are coming down, and as these rates come down, this price up here could stabilize. It could get a bit more stable, but this is a long-term hold for me as well, especially when the crypto market gets back bullish. So we'll be holding on to this, earning passive income, and then one day we're gonna look up and this thing is gonna be knock down some of those zeros, and we're gonna be smiling. We're gonna be smiling. It's that simple to me. But I'm no financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I like, what I see. And if you go to VVS Finance, you can see that the followers are growing there as well. VVS Finance is supported by Crypto.com, so we have a very strong backing behind us. And if they're supporting it and they can grow this thing up here, this thing can definitely grow very, very fast. Now, understand we are still extremely early in VVS Finance. We are extremely early, so the price of volatility right now is to be expected. It is to be expected. So I'm gonna see this thing through. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I will be looking to add VVS Finance as well. Given that these prices down here, as you can see, is coming down, but we don't really have a nice level of support because like it's still fresh. This thing is still, it hasn't been on the market super long or anything, so this is to be expected. And then we do want to see maybe the crypto market as a whole stabilize. Maybe get back into a bullish run, and then look, you know, maybe we can add some more and stake some more as well, because you know it's all about getting some passive income and making money at the end of the day. We don't like to be down, but it's a part of the game when you get in, taking the risk of getting in on something early, and then with something like Crypto.com, aka Crowcoin, it's giving us a nice pullback. Look like a good opportunity for us to accumulate some of this as well before we hit that run past the dollar again. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that like button, hit that sub button, cut those notifications on. Until next time, Densky out.